I'm feeling hungry today, but I don't know what to cook. I wonder what do I have in my fridge. Okay, I got a chicken breast and some butter. Look at all these ingredients, but I don't know what I can make with them. Oh, I know. I'll put them into the Vitality app. Let's see. So let's first log in. Put in our username. And I guess we'll go to create plate now. And today I'm feeling like having Chinese food. So Chinese, next. Now let's enter in our ingredients. So vegetables, so we have some bean sprout, broccoli, and that's it for all the vegetables. So for our protein, we have a chicken breast, and for dairy, we have butter. So next, and these are all the ingredients that we chose. Wow, look at all these recipes that the app generated for us. So I think I'm gonna go for Chinese fried rice today. So Chinese fried rice, create. And wow, look at all these step-by-step instructions for the recipe, as well as the amount of for each ingredient that we need. It also includes tips on how to make our meal more healthy. I think I want to go to the link. Oh wow, this is the link. So go back, and I think I want to save it for later. And let's create the dish now. So I've made the meal now, and it says that if I add some broccoli or green beans or other vegetables that I can make it healthier. Alright, so since I saved it, I think I want to take a photo of it. So taking the photo, go back to the home screen, go to my history, so Chinese fried rice, confirm, and I want to upload the photo, and here it is. Position it well. And now it's uploaded. Wow, it's really good! I'm really hungry, but I want to make that recipe I made last week. Oh, I know. Since I saved it last week, I'll just go to the Vitality app and go to history. And here it is. Chinese fried rice I made last week. Oh, look at that. There's a photo that I took last week as well. I think I want to analyze how healthy I've been eating. As you can see here, that I've had 37% vegetables, 35% meats, and 27% of grains. It looks like I'm not eating healthy yet because I need to have a 2:1 ratio of all the food groups. Maybe next time I'll just pick a recipe that contains more vegetables and less meats.